Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Atrix, and I'm gonna show you how to get your beat ready to upload BeatStars. So you got everything, you got your what you call it. You got like a sample of your beat. Now you gotta lay it out. That's me. So now you gotta arrange it. You got your levels, everything's good. You got everything how you want it to sound. So now we just need to arrange it. I'm gonna copy it, Control C, paste. So this is the bridge. Go back over here. Put a chorus in. Copy the whole thing. But I think on the next one, I'm gonna add a beat drop. Gonna make it a little bit longer. Take that out. That doesn't sound good. Right back into the bridge. then we're just gonna add a little tail at the end. So that was it. This video was pretty much on getting your layout. I usually like to start off a beat that is, you kind of get your flow into it, and then you get the full beat, and then a break, and then you go into a bridge, chorus, bridge, chorus, and then your last bridge. So there's 3 verses on that, and 1, 2, 3, so like 2.5 hooks. I switch it up. It just depends on the flow of the beat, and maybe you're catering to someone, so maybe they're like, no, I don't want a chorus, I just want a straight beat all the way through. And you can be like, okay, go into my FL and be like, delete, 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 add in all the way through. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna keep it the way it was. So I pretty much, and then always save. Bam, done. All right. Hope you enjoyed that video. I got more tutorials on my page. Check them out. Like, subscribe, comment, or comment on a video that you want me to do, or whatever that you hate it. And that's about it. Have a good one.